While Giant tubeless tires are far less prone to punctures, flats can still happen. The Giant Tubeless system provides a complete flat tire solution for both on-road and off-road conditions. For off-road tires, Giant has a simple plug system. Using the proprietary Giant Tubeless tire plug, there is no need to remove the tire to fix a flat. 4 simple steps. 1. Clean. Find the puncture and clean the surface area of the tire. 2. Prepare. Insert the plug into the tool and apply adhesive onto the plug. 3. Repair. Insert the plug into the tire and pull the tool out slowly, leaving the plug in the hole of the tire. 4. Inflate. Inflate the tire to the minimum tire pressure and check the tire pressure once again before riding to ensure the tire is sealed. These flat tire repair solutions are only for emergency use. If you need to use one of the repair kits, it means your tubeless system has been damaged and the tubeless performance cannot be guaranteed by Giant anymore. To ensure safety, Giant highly recommends replacing any damaged tire that requires use of one of the tubeless tire repair kits before your next ride.